Welcome to Andy's Guides. In today's video, we are going to show you how to set up Discord secret countdown and dynamic timestamps. Let's begin. Now, the first thing you need to do is to log in using your credentials. If this is your first time on Discord, click on the register option, and from here, just follow the on-screen instructions and you're good to go. Now, setting up Discord secret countdowns and dynamic timestamps can be beneficial for a lot of reasons, especially when you want to enhance communication, collaboration, and organization within Discord communities or server. Now, how do we do it? The first thing you need to remember is that go here at the website called Pastebin, and from here, these are what you call the countdown and text date formatting on Discord. So all of the users on the server go here to install and set up the secret countdown and dynamic timestamps. Now, there's a lot of options that you can choose. These are the codes that you need to paste on your Discord server, the format, and the example, right? Now, what I'm going to do today is I'm gonna maybe use the relative time because it's a lot easier to explain to you guys. Now, what I'm going to do is copy the code right here, the entire of it, and I'm gonna head over to my Discord server. Now, once I'm here, all I have to do is paste the code and press enter. And from here, as you can see, it changes, right? From 3 years ago, it's very dynamic. Now, what I'm going to do next is I'm gonna paste the code again, all right? Now, the idea is when you copy the link, there are sort of like few numbers here, right? So I'm a randomly change the numbers, okay, to say something like this one. And when I hit enter, what will happen is the timestamp change, right? Now, for us to be able to be accurate on the specific numbers or the values inside the code, I need you to go to this specific platform called, this is called the Epoch Converter. And as you can see, you can convert epoch to human readable date and vice versa. Now, let me give you an example for now. Say I'm going to be choosing the next month, which is June, and it's the same day, right? And you can also choose the local time or GMT. But when you click on the human date to timestamp, what will happen is it would give you these values or these numbers, all right? Now, I need you to copy the entire numbers and go to your Discord server again. And remember the values earlier. I need you to replace that with the one we have copied from the Epoch Converter and to see what will happen. Right? So that's what's gonna happen. And again, just go again in the paste bin, because from here you can also choose another code. Let's try to go for the short date time. Copy that and then go back to your Discord and click on it. As you can see, that's numbers. And if you want to change this one, we need to go to the Epoch Converter. And from here, just choose another option. All right. Let's say I'm going to be reverting back to the this one and click on the human date to stamp and copy the entire numbers and head over to our Discord server. And then I am going to paste it here and hit enter. And as you can see, this is the secret countdown and dynamic stamps here on Discord. Thank you so much for watching. We will see you again in the next video.